Here's problem 4. We have all this stuff on the left side of the equal sign and just that on the right. So I want to go ahead and distribute through and then clean up, put my x's with my x's, numbers with my numbers before I start moving anybody across that equal sign. So we'll start off, distribute the 5 through to the 4x, that's 20x, and then 5 through to the negative 2. Well, that's just subtract 10. Plus 2 through to the 3x is 6x, and 2 through to the 5 is plus 10. That's equal to 20x, subtract 7. Let's put things together. You got 20x, any other x's? Yes, 6x. So 20x plus 6x. Now remember, this isn't 20x minus the 6x. That negative goes with the 10, not with that 6x. So 20x is positive, see out front. 6x is positive, see out in front of him. You always look in the front to see its values. So that's going to give us 26x. Now number-wise, out in front is a negative, so that 10 is negative. Out in front of that's a positive 10. You lose 10, you gain 10, you're back even Steven. You lose $10 one week, gain 10 the next, you're back to the starting point, even Steven as they say. So equals, those go away, that's 0 there, is equal to 20x, take away 7. I got a variable here with x, got a variable on the right hand side, and then the number. So numbers by itself, so we're going to move this 20x over, that way we'll have just the number right here and all variables over on the left. So I'm going to get rid of the 20x by subtracting it on both sides of the equal sign. 26 minus the 20 is going to give you 6x's is equal. That goes away. You're left 7 it's not just 7. What's out in front of it? Negative 7. Now this point you're like, oh my, I don't know, 6 times what gives me negative 7? No big deal. How are we going to get rid of multiplying by 6? We divide by 6. Divide by 6. X is equal, and you're like, oh, I don't know what to do. It doesn't go nicely and pretty. It's not like 12 divided by 6. It's 7. Now, a negative divided by positive, we know the answer is going to be stay negative. But think about this. It's like you have 7 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The bottom number when you're dividing tells you what you're putting them in groups of. We're putting them in groups of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you and I can form one whole group. We got one whole group out of that. How many are left over? One little fella. He's left over out of the 6. So negative 7, 6 is the same as negative 1 and 1, 6. When we're dividing, we're putting them in groups of things. That's what happens. You could say, oh, 6 goes in 7 one whole time with a remainder of 1 out of the 6. Always the denominator is going to stay. There's our answer to problem number 4. In real life, answers aren't always a 2 and a 3. They're not always pretty, and we need to know how to deal with fractions because that is life.